The Manchester police are dismissing suggestions that the person who killed the 25-year-old daughter of a clergyman in Manchester is still at large. There is speculation that the decomposing body of a man who police say committed the act may not have been the main suspect. TVJ's Shamela Pullen has this primetime news follow-up.
With the discovery of the body of Linton Stevenson, the 59-year-old Seventh-day Adventist deacon accused of killing 25-year-old Kaheem Campbell in August, one would have thought that case would be closed. Kaheem is a 25-year-old student of the Northern Caribbean University whose body was found in an igloo in the trunk of a car on the Winston Jones Highway in Manchester on August 27. Her father, man of the cloth, Dr. Amos Campbell, is however raising doubts about the case. Dr. Campbell said because the body of the alleged killer was found in a decomposed state on September 9, it's hard to identify, and he's questioning if it really belonged to the man who is accused of killing his daughter.
I asked, can an autopsy show that this is the suspect? The answer was no. So I asked them, can we get a DNA test? And one inspector asked me, Dr. Campbell, what would you match it with? What does that mean? There is no hope, and I cannot know for sure that the murderer is dead.
He found support from Councillor for the Belfield Division of the Manchester Municipal Corporation, Mario Mitchell.
The murder of Miss Kim Campbell, which she was buried recently, and the Campbell.
Campbell.
Well, Miss Kay Campbell. And the father made a statement that he's not so sure that the person who's responsible for her murder is actually the person who has died in the house. Can we confirm that those remains are of Mr. Stevenson?
But Deputy Superintendent of Police for Manchester, Lloyd Darby, is dismissing the allegations.
We have heard that concern before. Don't know what is the genesis of it, but I can tell you that fingerprints were taken, and the body at post-mortem was positively identified as that of Mr. Stevenson. So we are confident that the right person was buried and is the perpetrator in that.
The police believe Campbell took his own life. Shamela Pullen, TVJ News.